Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica, self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video. Okay, here I have my okras all washed, my tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, scallions or green onions as some of you call it, thyme, onion, sweet peppers. I keep those cut up and frozen. Saltfish boiling away. Hi everyone, I'm making some okra and saltfish today. Using a little coconut oil, and I'm having all my seasonings. I'm having tomato, garlic, onion, scallion, and some thyme. I'm gonna let this fry up a little in the oil until everything, especially the tomatoes, I want them to be soft. So I just cover it. Okay, well I have my seasoning nice and soft. So I'm gonna now add my saltfish. Took off the scales and took out all the bones, so I'm gonna let that too cook a little bit, and then I add a little black pepper. So what I'm gonna do, because I have such a broad pot, I'm gonna put the okra around the edges so that they continue to cook. And I also had some string beans, so what I did, I don't want anything to go to waste. So I don't normally put the string beans in it, but I had them, so I just put them in there. Nothing goes to waste. So I'm gonna cover this up. Just turn up the middle part a little and turn around a little. So you notice I don't cook with a lot of oil, even though it's coconut oil and it's good for you. But you know, I just see what the pot is going on with first. And this is my scotch bonnet, can't do without the scotch bonnet. And I put some sweet pepper in there too. So I just cover up this again, and then when the okras start to steam a little, we turn it around, mix everything together, and then we might put a little water in there. It depends on how much fluid comes out after the okra and the string beans start to cook. Okay, so I let this for about a minute and a half. So now I'm gonna just give it a few turns. So I don't like when the okras boil out too much. I like them firm. They have very slight crunch to them. The same thing for the string beans. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water in there. Because okra and string beans don't take a long time to cook. Just a little bit so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Okay, this is 5 minutes after. We're just checking in to see how things look. The okras look like they can cook a little more. So with these electric pots, sometimes the heat is more to the middle. So I just take the things from the end, the sides, put them to the middle. This looks like it could take a little bit more black pepper. I'm going to add some black pepper. Just a little bit, not too much. So you know, when I'm adding the black pepper, I don't have the other covering over it, but what I do to make sure I don't dump too much in there, I slant the bottle. Notice, I slant the bottle and then I just shake and it will gradually come up. So if you hold the bottle too horizontal, you run the risk of dumping too much black pepper in the Okay, so we're back. Just turning everything around again. I'm gonna put back just a little bit more water in there because I want to have a little gravy. But I don't want my okras to get too soft because then it gets too, you know, gooey, slimy, people call it. Keep my pepper in the middle. So once this boils up and is fully heated, that water I just added, I'm gonna turn off the stove and let the residual heat finish cooking because I don't want the string beans to get soggy either. So it doesn't take long to cook. What takes more time is the prepping. And that's easy now for breakfast, lunch or dinner, whichever. You can serve this with anything. Bananas, dumplings. I'm gonna have them with fried green plantains. And it's healthy. Nice way to get in your veggies. Okay, so this is the final product. As you can see, the okras are cooked, but they're not too soft, and the string beans are cooked, but they're not too soft. You can see that. So what I do at the end now, I'll burst the pepper, so that I don't like when the pepper is too much. But if you burst the pepper at this point and just stir it up a little bit, then you get a really lovely flavor. So I'll just put it here. That's my little secret. Remember to check out my website, notfit.redbubble.com. That's it. So guys, once again, thank you for watching my channel. Remember to press that red arrow at the bottom of the video, and to continue to watch, there is also a link at the end of each video, so you can watch that video which is linked, and to subscribe, share, comment, leave a nice little comment like good video, or if you want anything else to be shown, or you want to add any information in the comment section, please feel free to do so. So I really appreciate you for watching my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.